Morning everybody, just heading down to go get the cows in. Morning ladies, yes. Come on, off you go, off to the cow shed. Right, gotta go and check the drains and hey. I know, you need more pats. Right, we'll see he's up at the cow shed. Girls are milking away well this morning, hands up there. Yeah, we got 2 double ups. I buggered up my counting, I should have gone 1 more forward, but oh well. We'll get to it. A lot of midgies at the moment, if you can see them. Little bloody brain bugs. Oh, well, morning, Dad. Morning. Yes. Pool number 3. Yes, don't usually happen, but oh well. No, not meant to have 3, but they will eat it. They will eat it. Oh, girls. Up we go. Come on. Off you go. Come on. Up. Dad's just washing the yard, wetting the first part of the yard. Got a little bit of rain this morning, and he's pushing the girls up. I'm getting the next row ready. Go on, girls. Up we go. She's happy. She won't go anywhere in a hurry. You washing the first part of the yard? I'll wash some of it, yeah. Okay. Right. He's going to start washing the yard. Go on, girls. Right, walk in there. Yeah, she's bullying. Silly cow. Yeah. Getting some rainfall out there now. Lucky Dad washed the first half of the yard. Sweet. Oh well. See you later, girls. Catch you tonight. Dad's just out feeding the calves. And then I'll put the wash through the cup bomb day. So I've got an alkali running through. Just rinse. And then I'll put the acid and a final rinse. Dad is just washing the yard. That's all washed up. Dad is just finishing off washing the yard, and I'm gonna go get the cafeteria out of the paddock with these calves over here, because they're probably finished. Calves are looking happy, drinking away. Bugger, doesn't look like they've eaten much at all. Oh well, we'll leave that in there till tonight. Hopefully it clears up. Dad said there's possible chance of showers today for the rest of the day, so fair enough. It is clearing up by the look of it over there. Here's the arrow, Dad. 2 bags. I've got 3 bags. Now lock the cows away and go feed these other little calvies. Look, tank's starting to pull up. 5 bags, 5 calvies, 5 troughs. And I gotta look at bringing them out some hay. Probably tomorrow. Watch out, little butter. Watch out. Headbutt you. Right. Let's go back and watch the I think Bobo is calling it a day, and Dad said that's nothing we can really do in this weather. So, well, I'll see you fellas, I'll see you all this afternoon for milking. We're all sorted. Fed the calves, wash the cafeteria, everything's washed up. I might come down when the tank has been and wash the vat. Sweet, we'll catch you at milking. Hey everybody, I'm just washing the vat. The fella left the chiller unit on, so I had to put a whole tub of cold water through. Because if you put hot water through, and it has a nice, I've got rid of it now, but it has a nice layer on the base there. Dad said it can actually crack the vat, so yeah, don't want to put hot water on top of it. Rinse it through, looks like all the ice is gone, it's warmed up a bit. So we'll wash it now with some hot acid. And then we'll go and put another cold rinse through it. We'll head down the farm and go get the girls in. So the plan was we were going to paint the girls tonight, but because it is raining, the paint won't actually stick and it'll just end up running off them. So we'll have to just keep the figures down, keep the numbers written down well, and see if we can get them all. It's meant to be raining today, possibly tomorrow as well. So we'll see if we can do them tomorrow night. Hopefully we can, because mating starts tomorrow night, our first night. Fun and games. Awesome. Start putting the little calves back in. Right, I'll finish this. I'll meet you all with the cows.
Yeah, bit rainy out here today. See, the neighbour's already got his maize paddock sprayed out up here.
Afternoon, ladies. Oh, yeah. Good girls. Oh, there's a couple of thistles there, but I forgot my grubber. I have to do them another day. Alright, they're all headed off. Weather's definitely not helping our grass situation. Yeah, there's the empties. They're looking happy. You girls have got 3 days, I think, or 2 days, and you'll see the bulls. Good, anyway. Oh, well, it doesn't look like there's anybody in the drains. We've looking. Oh, we'll carry on and let's head on out.
Yeah, she's pissing down out there. And Arrow's on the back of the ute, I see. He's obviously wet and dirty.
He's coming down well. Not too wet though. Come on. Up we go, girls. Come on. Come on, girls. Well, cows in the sight walking away. Hey, you might need to move forward a little bit more, 107. Come on. Come on, girls. Up, come on. Push her up. Come on. Come on. Success for milking. Dad's just going to grab the ute and we'll go load up and get this bale of hay fed out. I can build a nest again. He's done it just in front of that fan there. Well, fix that up. Really little birds just in there behind that. There's 2 bolts there holding the radiator in, just in there. Little buggers. The spray didn't work too well. I've actually got a 20 gauge shotgun. I'll bring that. That's the one. Okay, we'll load up this hay. That's us for today. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the morning. Thank you. Hay's all fed out. Girls are happy. Got a good amount of grass for tonight.